It's an off day at Fenway Park, and some lucky employees from Benjamin Moore and their guests are playing softball at Fenway Park. And I wonder if that pitcher from Benjamin Moore is painting the corner. But I digress. The point is that Fenway Park is a commercial vehicle for the Boston Red Sox. They are able to use the ballpark for a variety of purposes to raise money, to pay for salaries. That's how the game works. The Red Sox are really good at it, and you should be happy that they're good at it because it helps put out a big payroll. They win lots of ball games. They've won 3 World Series in 10 years and so forth. But I do have one issue. I want to show you the left field wall at Fenway Park, otherwise known as the Green Monster. If you've ever read The Summer of '49 by the late, great David Halberstam, which, by the way, is a truly great baseball book about the pennant race between the Red Sox and Yankees in 1949, take a look at one of the inside covers, and you'll see a panoramic view of Fenway Park. Take a closer look, and you'll see the left field wall as it's festooned with all kinds of bright advertisements for local products, Gem Blades, Lifebuoy soap, and so on. The issue here is that back in 2002, when the new owners of the Red Sox took over, I wrote a column in the Herald saying the Red Sox should take that wall, that green monster, and cover it with ads. Well, over a period of years, the Red Sox have taken my advice, and let's cut to the left field wall right now. So take a look at the green monster in left field. It's becoming less and less green and more festooned with advertisements. And again, I don't really have a problem with it. You'll see 2 public service spots out there, one for Red Sox scholars at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, and then second in from the right, the Boston Red Sox support the Jimmy Fund. And then you'll see 3 advertisements, one for Infinity, one for Foxwoods, and one's for Sapient. Down below, CVS Pharmacy. Who but WB Mason, FW Webb, and Hyundai. Any problems with any of these? Yes. To me, it looks too fussy. It looks fastidious. It looks precious. It looks neat. The Red Sox can do better. What they should do is take the Green Monster, get a copy of The Summer of '49, and really spice it up. Make it look like it belongs as part of the old-time ballpark. What they've done now is a good start, but if they really want to sell the product, if they want to sell the left field wall, let's go back to the summer in '49, have a little fun, and I guarantee you, I promise you, at the end of this endeavor, Fenway Park will look better than it does now. And if the Red Sox want to put an ad up on that Green Monster for the 21st annual all-time baseball game on August 25th at St. Peter's Field in Cambridge, that's okay too. With Herald videographer Bob Grime, this is Steve Buckley for the Herald Press Box at Fenway Park.